Yes, boss. I think other day we discussed which design pattern, guys. Proxy design pattern, right? Okay, first we have seen how to generate proxy class, in-memory proxy class, dynamic proxy class using CZlib libraries. Then we have seen how to do the same thing by using what? JDK libraries. But which proxy class is good, guys? JDK libraries proxy class is good or in-memory proxy class is good? JDK library proxy class is good or in-memory proxy class? I meant to say CZlib library proxy class is good. Yeah, definitely JDK one is good, right, boss? Fine. So today let's go to class content, design patterns. Okay, NT. Yeah, let me announce before I forget. Tomorrow evening classes are not there. Sunday classes are not there. After today's class, next class will be on Monday. Okay, next class will be on Monday. Okay, yeah. Let me share news with you people. Happy news. I don't mind sharing with you people. I'm entering into new home. I'm entering into new house. So this Sunday housewarming ceremony is there. Okay, so that's the reason other day I requested one project release and this ceremony. Both are happening back to back in my life. Right? Oh, yeah. So that's why I requested you people other day. This week, please cooperate with me. Monday onwards. By Sunday, I will be free. Uh, Monday onwards, I will be back to normal state, guys. So, right, guys. Yeah, I'll give party by teaching one extra design pattern. For my party is always teaching one extra concept. Are you ready for it? Right, guys. Thank you. 1 minute. Give me 2 minutes time. Guys, come back, everyone, come back. Right. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. session is there, guys. Right, boss. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. is session is there. Okay. Tomorrow evenings, this Sunday sessions are not there. Next class will be on Monday. Okay. I just want to give one free advice. Though you are not interested, listen. I already shared this advice in 7:30 p.m. batch. Okay. Related to personal and financial management. Okay. So don't purchase home or purchase a house on your earnings, on your savings. Everyone getting my point? Invest that money somewhere, get the returns. Again, invest that money somewhere, get the returns again. Again, invest that money somewhere, again, get the returns. Total 3 times you have to get the returns. Then purchase house. Sir, till that time, where to stay? Till that time, you try to stay in a rented house. No, sir, I will lose comfort of luxury life now. Nothing to lose. Try to stay in a good house only by paying extra rent. But till that time, don't purchase the house. Purchase the house only with the money that comes on returns on returns on returns. Otherwise, your life will be collapsed only paying EMIs of the house you have purchased. Yes or no, na? Right. Got the point, guys? Mr. Gokte, I didn't understand that I have taken permission to give this suggestion. Okay. Yeah, investment include real estate. Investment include, okay, investment include share market. Investment include purchasing gold. It can be anything. Okay, fine. Right, guys. Shall we get into the discussions now? I think Gokte is angry on me. What is use of this? Fine. I said I'm giving some suggestion to you. If you don't like, ignore it. So let's go for it. Shall we get into the discussions, guys? Yeah, where is this design pattern? Right, guys. Okay, NTDP 614. NTDP 614. Yeah, let's go for proxy DP, dynamic proxy generation. No, guys, today's is prototype DP. Prototype DP. Yeah, mostly last design pattern of Gang of 4. If something is missed, I will come back. Okay, this is February 11th, guys. Right. Prototype DP. Right, guys. Prototype DP. Okay, guys. Now let's try to understand problem, guys. Yeah, creating new object from scratch. Okay, from scratch. Okay, guys. Yeah, creating new object from scratch is costly affair in Java. Costly affair in Java. Are you listening my statement? Creating new object from scratch is costly affair in Java. That needs more memory, and that definitely needs what? More memory and CPU time. CPU time. Right, guys. Right, understand this one. We want certain bunch of objects to be created for multiple times. To be created multiple times. So creating them every time. Creating them every time from scratch level. From scratch level. Very difficult, guys. What is that? Where is from scratch level degrades the performance. Degrades the performance. Okay, guys. Now listen, this is my application, my dear. Okay, this is my application. This is my application. This is my user 1. User 2. End user 1, end user 2. End user 1, end user 2. This is my application. Here is my database software. Here is my database software. Here is my what, guys? Database software, guys. Right, guys? Okay. Now let's go for it, guys. This guys. User one. Yeah. This one. Yes. Okay. Let's the thing, guys. Gets the records. Gets the record. Creating bunch of books. Creating bunch of books, guys. Here books table. Books underscore info table, guys. Books underscore info table. Right, guys. Here is my book ID, book name, price. Book ID, book name, price. Are some details, Bob. Book ID, book name, price, guys. 1001 CRJ price is 9,000. 1002. Tell me next. 1002. Next one. 1000. What is the other book, guys? Black BB. BB. Here is my 8,000, boss. Here is my 8,000. Tell me, guys. It has talked to database, created bunch of book objects. Okay. List of book objects, guys. Listen carefully. And delivered to this end user. Delivered to this end user, guys. Look at this end user 1A asked for books information. 1A. Tell me. Okay, this application talked to this 1B. 1B. Acha, talked to got the books. This is 1B. Okay. Created. What is that list of book objects from RS? From RS object. Result set object, ra babu. From database, you will get result set object, na boss. Yeah, this is 1C. This is 1C and delivered to end user. Delivered to end user 1D. Okay, end user 1 or client application, guys. End user 1 operating client application 1. This is my client application 1. This is my client application 2, guys. This is my client application 2, guys. Right, guys. I'm assuming that is also an application. Or you can deliver as a string also. That's not an issue. Now you observe, guys. Now you observe this fellow is giving request to. This fellow is giving request to and talking to database software. Yeah, again bunch of records are bunch of bunch of book objects are created. Again, bunch of book objects are created, guys. Again, we got them, guys. Again, we got them. Everyone got the clarity, guys? 2A. Yes, boss. 2A. Then what? 2B. 2B. And 2C. 2C. And 2D. 2D. Now you observe, guys. Every time hitting database software, guys, give me 2 minutes time. Na? Guys, very sorry for everything. Please come back. Please come back. I'm the one man. Right now, a lot of multitasking is happening in my life. Please. Sorry for the trouble I'm giving to you. Okay, guys. Let's see. Yeah. 1, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. Listen, guys. Hitting database, creating bunch of object. Hitting database, creating bunch of object. Is it really bad or not? Okay. Every time hitting database software and every time creating same bunch of objects, every time creating same bunch of objects is not really good practice. Really not good practice. Okay. Don't think in software angle. You may say like that, sir, what is there? You take a reference of existing object and send it. Think about real use case. Books, guys. Customer 1 asked books. Customer 2 asked books. For both, you should send separate copies of objects, na? For both people, you should send separate copies of object. What do you say, guys? Right. Is not really good practice. It will degrade the performance of the application. It will degrade the performance of the application. Are you comfortable, guys? This is the problem. Everyone understood the problem, guys? Can I demonstrate the problem? Solution I will tell. Don't worry about that. Can I demonstrate the problem by creating real problem, guys? Yes. Okay. Solution is very simple, guys. Okay. Otherwise, I will write the solution first now. Solution. Use prototype design pattern, which says yeah, I'll give you if you look at the end of the document, guys, the end of Ganga 4 patterns. Okay. All one-liners are kept. All one-liners are kept. You are not believing me. Yeah. Listen. Very one-liners. Oh, come on, guys. I'll share. Today only I'll share the document. New design patterns. Yeah, at the end I kept one-liners, boss. I just want to show that. At the end I kept the one-liners. Okay. Use prototype design pattern, which says keep the objects that are created through costly process in cache and use cloning concept to create copy objects of keep the objects that are created through costly process in cache memory, and use cloning concept to create a copy of those cached objects. Cached objects. Are you understanding my point, guys? Now listen, guys. Okay. Student object. Student object 1 dot dot dot. Student object 1 dot dot dot. Student object 2. Student object 1, student object 2. Freshly created object. Another freshly created same object. Another freshly created same object. Okay. Yeah. Since object 2 is same as object 1, since the object 2 is same as object 1, come on, guys. Since the object 2 is same as object 1, okay, creating from scratch is costly process. Right, guys. What is the one I should do, guys? What is the one I should do, guys? Yeah, right, boss. I will say student obj to student of obj1 dot clone. Tell me, guys, when I say cloned object, does it created from scratch level, guys? Do you think that will be created from scratch level? Object created through cloning process. Object created through what process, guys? Cloning process. Understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Are you with me? Yeah, what is that? Cloning means what? Keep creating copy. Creating copy is always takes less time or not? Creating copy always takes less time. For example, guys, you created one big application by spending lot of time, by spending sleepless time. Someone observed it, they copied it. Does it take much time? Does it take much time? No. Okay. This Gucci people, big brands, guys, they give lakhs of rupees to their designers. They spend a lot of time on materials, material comfort. Okay, they create some design. Okay, they create some design. This some people, they will create first copy of it. The people who are creating first copy really spend lot of time. Do you really think they spend lot of time? Do you really think they spend lot of time, boss? Come on. What do you say, my dear? Same cloned object always takes less time or not, guys? So, array, implementing prototype design pattern is nothing but implementing prototype design pattern is nothing but tell me, implementing implementing prototype design pattern is nothing but okay, creating okay, bunch of objects, bunch of objects through cloning process. Okay, by keeping the actual objects in the cache. Okay, through cloning process repeatedly by keeping the actual objects in the cache. By seriously keeping the actual objects in the cache. So shall I take the same application, guys? Same application one more time, 1 minute. I think copy paste not going to work out. End user 1 is working on client application 1. End user 2 is working on this. Yes, boss. Here is my database software. I think at least I can copy database part. Yes. Copy here, my dear, paste. Comfortable, my dear? Yes. Yes, my dear. Tell me here, what is this? End user 1. Here is my client application 1. Yes, guys. This is my application. Okay, let us assume bookstore application. Let us assume bookstore application. Here is my bookstore application. Understanding my point? Okay. Bookstore application, guys. Now tell me what is the story? This to this. It will talk to first time. First time it will happily talk in a regular fashion. Done. First time it will talk, guys. Come on, guys. Are you with me? Next. It will go. Yeah, here buffer or cache will be there, my way. Here I am maintaining buffer or cache. Buffer or cache. Acha, one. Anil B, is there any design pattern called caching? No, na. Then why are you saying it's the same as caching design pattern? No, there's a magic. Buffer or cache. Don't come to one conclusion immediately. Buffer or caches reuse the existing object. But this says don't reuse. Don't reuse. By keeping objects in cache, whenever new objects are required, perform cloning. Perform cloning. Cloning is extra. Caching says reuse the existing object. Right. Please. Don't come to one pre-conclusions on the subjects. Right, guys. 1A. 1A. Next. It will search, boss. It will search in buffer or cache. 1B question mark. It will search here. 1B question mark. 1C. 1C. Gets the, what is that? RS2 list of objects, guys. Tell me here, what is there? RS2 list of objects. Acha, 1 minute. Here getting books information. Okay. RS2 list of objects. RS2 list of objects. Come on. Right. Tell me next one. 1D. They are kept in the cache, boss. They are kept in the cache. And 1C, 1E, they have given to the client. List of objects are given to the client. List of objects. Nothing but lists of books, guys. Here now object is nothing but for book. It is for book, guys. Next one is what, guys? Next one is what? Yeah, 2A. It will verify here. 2A. 2A. 2B. It found available. This is very interesting. Found available. When it found available, it won't use them. It won't use them. Performs clone operation. It is because it is not ready to use existing object. It need another copy of same objects, guys. Calls what method? Clone method. Calls what method, guys? Clone method. Creates bunch of objects. Creates what? Bunch of objects. Are you getting my point? Yeah, clone operation. Now tell me, someone is saying it's same as flyweight design pattern. Sorry, it's same as flyweight design. Is it same as flyweight design pattern? In flyweight only cache is there. In flyweight only cache is there. But here, not cache. Along with the caching, cloning is there, right? Along with the caching, cloning is there. Got it, guys? Yeah, 2A, guys. No. Please think about. No, listen. This is only catalog. This is catalog. No, sir. Book price may be updated. Now you have to empty the cache at regular intervals. That is always there. Every 1 day, every 2 days, every 10 hours, every 24 hours, you have to empty the cache. Got it? Within 24 hours, 1 crore customers are asking for that book, guys. One crore time talking to database software is good. Talk one times and use for 1 crore times is good. But sir, how to get updated content? Empty the cache at regular intervals. Cache is good when you empty it at regular interval. Cache is bad when you cannot empty it at regular interval. Any cache, thumb rule is same. Any cache, thumb rule is same, boss. Here 2A, guys. Here is my 2B, guys. Sorry, 2B is already done. New objects are created through cloning process. Here is my 2C. Cloned objects are created. Now these cloned objects will be given to client application. Now tell me, guys. Okay. Earlier what happened? Hitting database is one headache. Every time creating objects from scratch level is costly affair or not? New objects from scratch. New objects from scratch. Every time creating objects from scratch is really recommended or not? Really recommended or not? I want reply, boss. Certainly not recommended. Certainly not recommended, boss. Fine, boss. 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D. This process is called what design pattern? Prototype design pattern. Prototype. In this place, prototype design pattern is implemented, guys. Here, prototype implemented. Flyweight DP says keep objects, keep object in cache, keep related objects in cache, and reuse them. Okay, prototype says, prototype DP says right, yeah, if you want new objects every time, don't create from scratch level using new operator. Take the support of tell me guys. Take the support of tell me guys. Take the support of cloning to create the objects. Okay. But generally this cloning takes place okay on the actual cached objects. Guys. On the actual cached objects. Everyone clear on these points, guys? Thoroughly understood these points, guys? Come on. Comfortable or not? Got the clarity or not? Come on, boss. Super. Right. So this is prototype design pattern. Okay. But you know that I never give directly solution. Though you like a solution, though you can implement solution directly, you want me to give the solution code directly, or should I start with problem code? Can I start with problem code? Because we are like Rajamouli directors, right? We are like Rajamouli directors, boss. We never start with problem solution. We start with the problem only. NTDP 614. Yes, boss. Stringlet. Array, listen. Already string pool is doing this kind of work only. Single line statements about design pattern. See, front controller, composite view. Array, for every design pattern, single lines are given. Did you notice this? All single liners are given here. Yes, don't worry about that single lines. At the end, again, I will give. You want single line about prototype design pattern? Okay. Create copy of existing object through cloning, not from scratch level. Not from scratch level. Not from scratch level. Okay. Officially, what they say, guys, let me check. Officially, Ganga 4 officially says this one, guys. Ganga 4 officially says prototype design pattern according to this. Specify the kind of objects to create using prototypical instance and create new objects by copying this prototype. Specify kind of objects to create using prototypical instance. Okay, and create new object by copying this prototype. Understood this statement, guys? Right. Array, just now I have given, na? Just now I have given. This scenario, take this. Different books. Different people needs different copies of books, guys. Same title, but copies are different. Now tell me. Same title, copies are different. Tell me, you will create every time books from scratch level? No. First, store first received objects in cache and create cloning on them. Just do go for cloning on them. Come on. Okay. Now let's see the problem code, guys. File new project. File new project. Here is what? Java project, guys. There, what is that? Prototype DP problem. DP problem, guys. Prototype DP problem. Say next. Say finish. New package, guys. com.nt.component. Otherwise, model class. Something, guys. Yes. Package. com.nt. What is the correct terminology I should take, guys? Com dot nt dot. No, registry is different. Com dot nt dot. Okay, fine. Okay. Com dot nt dot type. Okay. Type. Yes. Com dot nt dot type. Package, guys. Com dot nt dot factory. Actually, this factory acts as a registry, was. Com dot nt dot this one, guys. Model class, guys. Okay, I will take book on only. Book, guys. Done. Book, guys. Done, boss. Come on. Super. Tell me, guys. Yeah, you know cloning, but you never used cloning. That's interesting. Private integer book ID. Private string book name. Private string status. Private float price. Private float price. Right click, guys. Source. Getter setter methods. What is there, guys? Getter setter method. Get book ID, set book ID. Get book name, set book name. Get status, set status. Get price, set price. Comfortable, guys? Yeah, I have taken entity class here, boss. Seriously, I have taken entity class here. Now listen. Prashant, yeah, Word document is not possible. Why? Because drawing diagrams is not easy in Word document. Please. Printout can be taken from paintbrush. We have some converters. Use the converters and go for it. Next, take it, guys. Public book type. I'm taking this class as abstract class. My fictional books, non-fictional books, subject books, entertainment books. Different types of books will be there, na. This will be the common super class for it, guys. This will be the common super class for it. Come on. This will be the common super class for it. Book type. I am taking bunch of books, guys. Here one toString method is kept, guys. Right. And here is what? Load books. Load books is an abstract method. Load books in abstract method. Subclasses has to implement it. Tell me, guys, what is this? Public string type. Tell me next one. Okay. What is another property I would like to take, guys? Books list. List. Okay. Books list. New array list of. What is that, guys? New array list of. New array list of. Now I am taking one abstract method here. What is that? Public abstract. Public abstract wide load books. Yeah, that means subclasses must implement this one, guys. Right. Here one toString method. Here one toString method. Whenever this toString method is called, okay, run as source. Here is my toString method. Generate. Right click, source toString. Okay. After toString, where is toString here, boss? Where I am finding toString? Where is toString? Where is toString in this? Very interesting. Right click. I selected the variable now. toString already contains toString method. Existing implement will replace newly generated code. So what? If I take private, what is there? Ayyo. What a magical thing, guys. Alt plus shift plus yes. Alt plus what's happening, guys? I think some disturbance is coming. Alt plus shift plus yes. Yes. Already contains. I don't know, yaar. No, yaar, that is different. Already contain toString method. Existing implementation replaced the newly generated one. Are you sure you want to continue? Yeah, some problem has come in ID, guys. It is not saving the document. Check it out. See, it is not saving the document. Did you notice it? Some issues are there, guys. Okay, when we meet in next class, we'll do that. It is not allowing to save the document. Right, some issues are there, guys. We will meet on Monday. Next class will be on Monday. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, Monday onwards, we'll be back to NAR. Today, 7:30 p.m. class is there. Tomorrow, 7 a.m. class is there. Thank you. Thank you for your wishes.